Imagine floating in space where the silence is overwhelming. Yet surprisingly, the cosmos is alive with sound. Welcome to Cosmic Tunes, the surprising sounds of space. Though space is a vacuum devoid of air, sound waves do travel through mediums like plasma. Scientists capture these waves using advanced instruments, translating them into frequencies we can hear. One such sound is the eerie song of distant black holes, recorded as low, ominous hums. Meanwhile, Jupiter's magnetosphere crackles and roars like a rolling thunderstorm, revealing its dynamic energy. Even the sun sings, emitting rhythmic pulsations resembling a cosmic orchestra. These celestial melodies not only mesmerize us, but also offer crucial insights into the universe's hidden mechanics. So next time you gaze up, remember, the universe isn't silent. It's symphonic,